Oriental Mindoro Representative Arnan Panaligan denied involvement in flood control projects in his district. He said he was not their proponent and had no ties with the contractors and did not receive any kickbacks. Here is the report.
Oriental Mindoro 1st District Representative Arnan Panaligan expressed sadness over his inclusion in Senator Panfilo Lacson's privileged speech on alleged irregularities in flood control projects.
Nakakalungkot naman at tayo ay natawid sa speech na yun na hindi tayo nabigyan ng pagkakataon na makakuha yung ating side, ano?
In an interview with Storycon, Panaligan said that while flood control projects exist in his province due to its vulnerability to flooding, he had no role in identifying, designing, or awarding the contracts.
Ito, merong dumating na malaking amount na flood control projects starting 2023. Pero lahat pong yan ay ang DPWH ang nag-identify. Ang DPWH ang nag-plano, gawa ng program of works. Ang DPWH din ang nag-bid at nag-award sa contractors na mga proyektong yan.
He stressed that he was not a proponent of any flood control projects in his district.
Pero mga flood control na yan, hindi namin, ako sa experience ko, wala akong pinabago dyan. Kasi nga nandun na yan eh. Kasi kung babagoy mo, para sa mo dadalhin, sa nililipat na lugar, nandun na yan eh.
Panaligan also denied having personal ties with contractors mentioned in Lacson's speech, adding that he never received any form of kickback from the projects.
As a matter of policy, I do not talk or socialize with contractors. Kapag meron akong concern sa proyekto, katulad nga nung nakita ko nasira, ang highways na kinakausap ko lang, ang highways na sinusulatan ko because they are the implementing agency.
In a separate interview with A Big Story, the lawmaker also pushed for further investigation into such projects.
Mali ang structural design or tama ang design pero mali ang implementation. Kaya dapat talaga ay magkaroon ng malalim na investigasyon dyan at ipaliwanag ng DPWH Regional Office kung bakit nagkaganyan ang proyekto.
For News 5, I'm Marian Enriquez. We are One News.